Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. We are finally unboxing this green beauty piece that we have in our recent videos. If you don't already know who it is, it's Jean Grey Phoenix. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so as you can see, this is a very special unboxing. That's why we took out all our Phoenix related figures. Okay, so one thing that really got me hooked with Heroclix is the fire effect in the sculpt. Okay, so you can see they really did a good job on the fire effects. Okay, so and it's really nice as a display piece. Okay, so before we head to this unboxing, okay, let's take a look at quickly at some of our Phoenix here. So here we have the old Ultimates Phoenix. Okay, so yeah, okay, so it's not yet translucent as the other ones. Okay, but again, being one of the first one, it looks really good. Okay, considering it's one of the first ones. Okay, and then we have here Venom Marvel Girl. Okay, so Dark Phoenix with the Venom symbiote. Okay, so for extra power. And then of course we have the Dark Phoenix Colossal from X-Men the animated series set. Okay, one of the best Phoenix sculpt. Okay, and then from House of X we have Old Man Phoenix. So there's been a lot of individuals who have been imbued with the power of the Phoenix Force, and this is Old Man Logan in all his glory. Okay, berserker barraging with the Phoenix Force. Okay, so we also have here Cyclops. Okay, this is the biggest Phoenix yet. Okay, Cyclops with a Dark Phoenix Cyclops, I guess. Okay, Dark Phoenix Cyclops. Okay, so this is from, if I'm not mistaken, Avengers versus X-Men set. Okay, so even the base is Fury. Okay, so here we have the Phoenix 5. Okay, so we have the Phoenix 5. I'm not gonna take them out. We have Colossus. We have Namor, Cyclops, Emma Frost, Magic. Okay, and then we have some Jean Grey Phoenix here. White Phoenix, Hope Summers. We have Phoenix Super Rare Prime from UXM. And then we have Phoenix from what set is this? Giant Size X-Men. Okay. And then finally, here on the left side, we have our... This is the Phoenix 5, but their power has been exhausted, I think. So this is the Phoenix Force. Okay. So when I started Heroclix, unfortunately, I started after these Phoenix sets. Okay, so I really don't know how to use these mechanics. Okay, so but again, as a display piece, it's one of the best. Okay, and then here we have some more individuals that have the Phoenix Force. Okay, so we have here Colossus. We have Magneto with the Phoenix Force. Storm with the Phoenix Force. You can see her fiery hair. And then we have Dark Phoenix from the 10th anniversary. And Thane with the Phoenix Force. Okay. So again, a lot of other individuals over the years have been the host of the Phoenix or have had some parts, if not all, the power of the Phoenix Force. Okay, and finally, we have here the Dark Phoenix. Okay, so this is from Mutations and Mutant Mayhem rather. Okay, so this is the best Phoenix sculpt. Okay, so dark phoenix sculpt. Okay, so even better than the Extas. So you can see. Okay, so take a look at that dark phoenix. Okay, so she's gunman. Okay, wow. Okay, so so what we're going to unbox is something very similar to this. Okay, so you can say if this is the dark phoenix, this is just the regular phoenix. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so I've had this piece since start of April. Okay, but being a big piece, usually I don't take them out of the box. Okay, because I don't have space anymore to put them. Okay, so it might be safer to just put her keep her in the box. Okay, but now that I freed up my display cabinet, I can probably put her. So that's why I'm unboxing Jean Grey Phoenix. Okay, so it comes with this particular card, okay, which is the rules for the Phoenix. Okay, so she has different point values: veteran, experienced rookie, 400, 600, 800. So we cannot play her in modern. Okay, perhaps a legacy card. Okay, special rules. So these are big figures. So these are the rules, but I don't know. I don't think they are still the same. Okay, rules have changed throughout the years. Okay, action and pushing, moving. Okay, and then some illustration of again how Phoenix moves, how Phoenix attacks or gets attacked, and the close combat area of Phoenix. So yeah, so she has giant reach and all that, and she has multi attack. Okay, so I don't know this mechanic. Let's give it a read. Give this character a power action. It may use 2 free actions against up to 2 targets per action. These free actions may consist of power actions, close combat actions, and range combat actions, though free actions gained from this power cannot be used to activate this power. Make an attack roll for each attack, if any. Any damage dealt from one of these attacks is reduced by 1, minimum 1 damage. Multi-attack cannot be countered or lost. So it cannot be outwitted, I guess. Okay, so it has that rules. We'll probably put it back in the box. Okay, and then you can see here the piece itself is in bubble wrap. I just hope that it's not broken or anything like that. I haven't really checked this piece yet. That's always the fear when you buy things abroad and you have it shipped in the Philippines, because it takes quite a while for you to get the item, and of course you cannot return it due to it's gonna be a bit pricey to return the figures. Okay, but nonetheless, we still aim to complete all the X-Men Heroclix figures. Okay, apologies for the sound. It's the sound of excitement. Okay, so here we are. Okay, a little more, and she's gonna be out of the bubble wrap. Okay, as I said, this is very similar to the Dark Phoenix one that I already have. Okay, the only difference is that it's from the Armor War set, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong in the chat. And instead of Dark Phoenix, meaning Dark Phoenix usually wears red outfit, so this one is simply Phoenix, and she is wearing green. Okay, so she's not yet as corrupted by the Phoenix Force. Let's put her side by side. Okay, so that's the only real difference in the sculpt. This one looks like a limited edition with that copper ring. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's take a look at her combat values. Okay, figures like this, they don't have cards yet. So I have my trusty HC realms. Okay, to look at the powers of the Phoenix. Let's just put her on click number 1. Okay, and you can see the dial 12 flight. Is that hypersonic or running shot? That seems like running shot. Okay, looking at HC realms, it's running shot. It's TK 13, 18 defense, and then 6 impervious, 6 damage, outwit, colossal, 8 range, 2 targets for 800 points. Okay, take a look at that dial. Okay, a monster dial. Okay, although of course, in today's standards, that's just a chase or a super rare. But again, it's the sculpt that we're really maximizing here. Okay, so let's take a look briefly at her stats. So you can see she has 17 clicks of life. Okay, so the top dial is really what you want to use for 800 points. Keyword is Cosmic, Psychic, and X-Men. Let's take a look at her other dials or starting positions. 600 points. This is the dial. Okay, so still good. Although towards the tail end, again, 7 attack is not gonna fly in the modern times. And then the last one, the lowest is at 400 points. 10 attack would be a bit hard to hit given the defense of figures now that seems to be 18 standard. Okay, so anyway, so she is, I think, golden age if I'm not mistaken. And again, take a look at that sculpt. What more can you ask for? Okay. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. If you haven't done so, feel free to like, subscribe, and put in the comments which among the Phoenix you're seeing right now you like the most and why. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Keep safe.